Alright guys, so I got all the stuff I need, hopefully. Tin foil, Works toilet bowl cleaner, and a bottle. Try not to get this stuff on your hands, it will irritate you. All set. It blew! And now look at everything I have to go around and pick up. All the tin foil, pieces of plastic, and this is the bottle. Look at that. Alright. So it does still work even though the HCl levels have been lowered, so that is great. If you want to try this out, all you need is tin foil, a plastic water bottle with a good cap, and the Works toilet bowl cleaner. Just roll up the tin foil in a bunch of little pieces, stuff it in the water bottle, fill it halfway up with the Works toilet bowl cleaner, shake it up, throw it out in the yard, and eventually it should expand and blow up. So, hope you like it. Please rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out the color change and what happened to it. This is normal tin foil here, shiny and everything. It actually started eating away at this one. I don't know if you can see it on here, but you could actually see the little lines and stuff inside that one. It turned it a dark gray. It started expanding in there. It's kind of neat.